The Nevada State Museum has a cultural craft and family fun day coming. Here is Deborah Stevenson to tell us more about the event.
I'm Deborah from the Nevada State Museum, and I want to tell you about a fun program we have coming up Saturday, December 13th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. It's our Pines Are Fine program. You can make a lovely holiday wreath using Nevada pine cones. You can even make a cute little Christmas tree using the Jeffrey pine cone, all decorated up with Crayola Model Magic. This activity is free for kids 17 and under, also free for museum members, and a nominal fee of $8 for adults that are not members. In addition to these wonderful crafts that I just mentioned, we'll have a variety of other crafts, including making a cute little pine needle angel. You can also make a little Christmas tree, other ornaments, and a whole host of coloring activities for the small ones. Besides the crafts, this is a complete nature science program, as we always do with our Family Fun Saturdays. Did you know that Nevada has 2 state trees? We have the single-leaf pinyon, our pinyon pine. We also have the bristlecone pine. The bristlecone pine began growing when the pyramids were being built in Egypt, over 4,000 years old. You'll learn about the difference between a pine, a fir, and a spruce. And you'll learn all about the cute little animals that eat the pine nuts. The cute little pinyon jay, the pinyon mouse, Steller's jay. You'll learn about the black bear, the mule deer, all sorts of animals that depend on pine nuts for food. You'll also learn how Native Americans in our area, the Washoe and the Paiute and the Western Shoshone, processed the pine nuts, how they did the winnowing, how they roasted them, stored them as a nutritious snack in the winter time that really was a great staple for the Native American tribes. All these things at the Nevada State Museum coming up Saturday, December 13th. And while you're at the museum, you can enjoy Finding Fremont, Pathfinder of the West, and all of our other wonderful exhibits. Again, just an $8 admission fee for non-members, free for kids under 17. While you're downtown for the Santa Parade, come on in and warm up. Check out the museum, make a cute holiday craft with the kids, and just have a really great time. We're located at 600 North Carson Street, and as always, it's a fun family place to visit. Check out our website, museums.nevadaculture.org, or call 775-687-4810, extension 237 for more information. I look forward to seeing you.